Okay, today we're going to be going over an answer to a question that we've been receiving. Is people will email us and tell us why why am I continuing to get negative patient updates? So after we've interacted with some of these users, we've come to the conclusion that it's all, again, it comes back to the clock issue. What they're doing is something like this: they'll order a CBC, and then they'll be okay. Then they'll advance the clock, get the CBC, and then they'll order a CMP, and then they'll have it come in, and then they'll advance the clock to get the CMP. So they don't realize that every time it's been an hour and 30 minutes, when they could have just ordered both of them at the same time and let the clock roll. So again, they don't understand about order time and report time. So we should go over that. If you order a CBC, right, like this, and a CMP, it'll show you your order time. So that's the time that you ordered, which is right now. So it says that we're at day one at 19:30, and then this will be the report time. So the CBC will take 30 minutes from now, from the virtual now, and the CMP will take 1 hour from the virtual now. So at 20:30, you'll get your CBC. So if you're constantly going, you're ordering something, advancing the clock, ordering something, advancing the clock, you're going to how it works in the USMLE and in our program is that after a certain amount of virtual time, and each case is different, because some cases you can advance days and you still don't get a negative patient update if it's something like an outpatient case, and sometimes it's 30 minutes because it's an emergency. So if you go past a certain amount of virtual time, you'll get a negative patient update, like how it works in the USMLE, saying whatever you're doing is not working. So let's give an example of this. So you keep going, and then there's your negative patient update. The patient's abdominal pain is worsening. So the way to prevent negative patient updates is to, number one, make all your diagnostic orders. They can't always be prevented, but have most of them already ordered at once, so that when you advance the clock, all of those orders are having the clock advanced on those orders. Okay, and then number two, have a treatment plan in place. So once you get the diagnostic orders in, and then you figure out what's going on, you put the treatment in, and then you advance the clock, and that should give you to avoid negative patient updates. Essentially, all the negative patient updates means is that you haven't provided the correct treatment, and it's been the virtual time is advanced to the point where it'll tell you, trying to kind of keep you on track, saying whatever you're doing is not working, do something else. And when you do have negative patient updates on the real exam, you do get docked. So usually, not always. Sometimes they do have cases where the patient will get worse even if you do the correct treatment, but that is not very common. It does happen. So that's it. That's our video for negative patient updates. I hope you thought it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.